Hey guys, Jason here with another episode of Saturday Morning Installs, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to connect marker lights to the front of your F-Series truck with no cutting or splicing required.
Saturday Morning Installs was born from an idea to demonstrate just how easy these products are to install. No fancy lift or special tools required. These can be done in your driveway on a Saturday morning.
This adapter is going to plug right into your factory halogen headlights. If you have factory LED headlights, you're going to want to click the link in the description below, and that's going to show you our LED adapter video. This is a great plug and play option for anybody that has Raptor-Style grill lights or an aftermarket grill with the 3 marker lights in it. This video assumes that you've already installed your Raptor-Style grill lights or your aftermarket grill and you're ready to connect the wiring. I'm on the passenger side headlight, although you could connect this to the driver's side. This is going to plug in here, and then we're going to reconnect to the headlight. Now, if you have a Starkey light bar, we make it really simple. All you're going to do is take this and plug it into this red connector. Now, if you have an aftermarket grill with marker lights, generally they will include a set of leads that connect from the marker lights. What we're going to do is just crimp on these male terminals that we include in the adapter kit in case you need them. You can use a generic crimper. What's great about this kit is you're not having to cut or splice into your factory wiring. Now what I'm going to do is connect the power wire from the marker lights to this terminal, and then the ground to the ground wire here. And you're all set. Now your marker lights from your aftermarket grill are connected and ready to go. We've installed Raptor-Style grill lights on this 2015 F-150, and with the plug and play adapter it was very simple, and we didn't need to cut or splice into the factory wiring. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.